Welcome to another episode of Open Mic. I'm Mark Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software, joined today by Zach Cooper, Director of Sales. So, Zach, we're seeing for our company a really exciting movement in B2B and manufacturing in that they're shifting to a product experience onto the web. Mm-hmm. And what we're calling B-Commerce. Mm-hmm. You could call it B2B to C, where the C is a dealer and a dealer network, or even an end consumer. So they're moving away from the traditional sales rep process and pushing even complex products into an e-commerce experience. Exciting for our technology, but what are you seeing is the shift here? What are they trying to accomplish with that? And what does it open up for B2B commerce?
Very exciting conversation. And I'm hearing it referred to in the market as the internet economy. How are you going to compete in the internet economy? And when talking to customers, we're working with a large global infrastructure manufacturer right now who looks at visualization, visual commerce in a B2B environment as a huge opportunity to increase customer confidence during the buying process. Believe it or not, close to 70% of buyers prefer to evaluate online before interacting with sales.
Right.
So it gives the customer or that partner, like a dealer, distributor, or contractor, the opportunity to visually build product in 3D via the web, increasing confidence in that buy, but more importantly, creating automated, highly qualified leads for sales that can be picked up digitally for a quicker close. So we are talking about visual commerce, B-commerce, as a way to increase customer confidence in the buy, increase demand generation for sales, and sales velocity for the close.
And what do they have to think about as far as business readiness to start taking this on? It is a shift away from the comfort of having a sales rep go out and sell the product to allowing people to interact with your product via the web. How are you seeing businesses prepare to make those decisions?
I think you have the same conversation today going back a few years with e-commerce.
Right.
And to touch one more thing on visual, one thing I've noticed with e-commerce sites is they all look the same. So visualization also gives you that huge competitive advantage. So how do you prepare for that competitive advantage? First and foremost, you need to understand who is your buyer. You need to recognize buying behaviors. As I had mentioned, 70% of buyers prefer to evaluate online. So you then need to identify the right tool sets, whether that's configure price quote technology or visual configuration technology, that are going to simplify the product build, the product configuration of your systems and solutions digitally. And then it's working with a partner like Atlatl Software. We specialize in manufacturing sales. We specialize in visual configuration. Understanding who is the right partner to help us take this shift, this advancement, this progression in the internet economy is vital to the success of your B2B commerce journeys.
Excellent. Thank you. We'd love to continue this discussion. Please reach out to us at atlatlsoftware.com.